Hey guys, welcome to your fourth XHTML tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you, this might be a little bit of a shorter video, about how to link your website to other people's website. So let's go ahead and try that. Now, it takes a special tag to do this, to link your text. So when the user clicks on it, it takes you to either a different part of your website or an external website. Actually, we'll do both in this video. So to link it to an external website, first you need some text. So let's say click here to go to Google and save. Uh-oh, 1 sec, I gotta, oh shoot, I just gotta open it. Shit. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, I'm clicking. Can you hear my mouse in the background? I'm clicking, and it's not bringing me to Google. That's because we didn't tell XHTML to bring us to Google. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a special tag. The tag is A. It's just A, okay? And at the back, it's /A. Save it, and let's see. Now, this still didn't work because we didn't tell XHTML what site we wanted to go to. Just because we said click here to go to Google, it doesn't know to bring us to Google because it probably doesn't even know what Google is. Come on. Anyway, we're gonna have to add an attribute. The attribute for a website is href. Now you can see it's red. Attributes turn off red, and their attributes are kind of things that, if you use a tag, you want to change it, you want to modify it. So attributes allow you to do that. So we got to set this equal to something, and when we do that, we got to use quotes to surround what we want it to equal. href is it's a weird name. They could have used a different tag, but href is what the link is going to be, and it's going to be equal to whatever's inside the quotation marks. So let's say we want to go to google.com. Now we got to use all the whole website address. So let's go to Google. So this is the whole thing. Now after this slash, you can ignore that. So we want HTTPS : all the way to here. So let's go ahead and copy that. And let's put that in between. So just to test this out, if you click on this here, there we go. It brings us straight to Google. Okay, so that's how you know it's gonna work. So let's go ahead and save that, and instantly see, it works when it turns blue and goes underlined. That's the link. So let's click on that, and it takes us straight to Google. Pretty cool, right? So what if you're saying, I want to link this to a different part of my website? So first, to link it to a different part of your website, you're going to have a different part of your website. Keep that there for now. So you can do file, or even click here. I think this will work. Yep, this will create a new tab. Now this will be a different part of your website, like a different page almost like. So if we save this and run in Chrome, this is, you can see by the title, and there's nothing here. So that worked. It's a different page altogether. So first we got to tell the XHTML that this is an XHTML document. So let's call this page 2 and save it as an HTML document. Let's save. Now to make sure this works, let's put nice and big, I am page 2. Alright, and this is page 1, so let's put hi, I'm page 1. So we'll definitely know that this is working. So I'm just going to put a breaker here to organize my links so they're not side by side. So let's do the same as we did before. A, and the closing tag A. I like to do both of them at the same time. And in between here, we're going to have what we want the link to be called. I don't know, page 2. So when we click on this, it's going to take us to page 2. But here, we need to put our attribute. Now the attribute's the same. It's href. But this time, we don't have to link it to, if we open this, run whatever you want. We don't have to link it to this. This is way too much. So yes, I am page 2. So what XHTML did is they, one sec, they, brain fart, oh, they made it easier, sorry. They made it just so you can use this name here. So this is called page2.html. Whatever you have here, it's got to be exactly the same put in here. So let's do page 2, and we got to keep that inside the quotes. Now you also have to put the .html because that is the type it is. So to get back and forth, this is really convenient. If I do this, just copy, I'm just gonna copy, paste that there. But once I get to page 2, I'm gonna want to way back to the home page. So let's see if this works. F5. So this is, oh yeah, we gotta rename it because that's not page 2, right? This is gonna be called home. So what I'm doing is I'm saving it with hotkeys and then just clicking refresh. So when I click home, it's gonna bring me to home. When I click page 2, it's gonna bring me to page 2. And remember, we have I am page 2, so we know this is page 2, and home, this is hi, I'm page 1. So this is how links work, and users can use that to get to different parts of your website because it's really hard to get all of that information into one little page. So most of the time, websites create tons of different pages that you can use to get more access, more information. So one page might be this topic, another page might be about this different topic, whatever, you know. So that's a really good basic way to do that. So that's how that works. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change different font sizes without creating headers. Thanks. Bye.